Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Raisa Mutia Adila with student ID number 230611100084. I'm from the Elementary School Teacher Education Department, Trunojoyo Madura University. Okay, in this video, I will describe and explain about the design of learning media in English lesson after doing observation to the school directly to observe what learning media the school needs. Problems. First, I will explain about the problems that we find after observing the school. After making observation and interviews at SDN Negeri 1 Surabaya, we just found one problem in the use of learning media in English lesson. That is, constraints on the use of slow internet access when learning taught the use of digital media. So, we chose learning media that doesn't use the internet, or we choose conventional learning media. After discussing with the group about the learning media to be designed, we agreed to make a learning media design for the material telling time with the name of the media Mr. Clock. And we also designed the supporting learning media, which is a vocabulary board that are in main learning media Mr. Clock. The purpose of this learning media. What is the purpose of this learning media, Mr. Clock? The purpose of this learning media is, first, to make it easier for students to read clocks in English correctly and properly, because reading hours in English cannot be directly translated one by one from the Indonesian to English, but there is a procedure. So, we make it a learning media design that makes it easier for students in this telling time material. Second, to train students to think critically to choose which part of the number in a clock should be translated into English first. Third, shows the student the Mr. Clock and explain the colors that distinguish the left side for to and the right side for past. In addition, we also have supporting learning media, which is a vocabulary board that is used to make it easier for students to know the meaning of to, past, a half, a quarter, and a clock in the main learning media. Materials. Mr. Clock. The materials of Mr. Clock is made of cardboard in the shape of a clock, hand, and feet, and covered with pink cardboard for the left side indicating to, and blue cardboard for the right side indicating past. Vocabulary board or supporting vocabulary learning media. Supporting learning media made of template from Canva, printed and laminated, containing vocabulary to support student understanding. Before entering the main learning media, at the top of the laminated paper, there is a hole to be hooked with a rope so that it can be displayed in the classroom. How to use this learning media? This is how to use Mr. Clock learning media and supporting learning media. First, understanding time terms. The teacher must explain to students the vocabulary in the supporting media, that is, the meaning of past, to, a half, a quarter, and a clock. So, the teacher explains to the students how to read the clock properly and correctly using Mr. Clock Media. This is by reading the pink color part as 2 and the blue color part as past, then the one of the hand as a quarter and the one of the foot as a half, and in the middle is a clock. The teacher gave an example of how to read the clock properly. For the example, 06:55 in English is 5 to 7. Second, clock reading practice. Turn the hands of the clock to a specific time and ask students to read the time in English. For the example, if the clock hand shows 02 and 15, students should say it's a quarter past 2. If it shows 03:45, students say it's a quarter to 4. Third, interaction and discussion. Invite students to take turns spinning the hands of the clock and have their friends read the time. The benefit of using the learning media. The benefits of using the learning media is: first, more interactive and interesting learning. Second, makes it easier to understand the concept of time in English. Third, improve English language skills. Fourth, not dependent on internet. Fifth, improve student concentration and focus. Okay, that was the learning media design that we made after doing observation and interviews at SDN Gading 1 Surabaya. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, that was the learning. Okay. That was the materials, indicating, how to use